Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss very interesting topic. We will build a very interesting project today. We will learn how we can create an AI application, a Google Translator using the Python and the AI. We will build a smart language translator using Python and AI in just 5 minutes. And with just few lines of code, we will create a translator that can convert text from any other language to another language using the Google Translator and the Python. So let's get started. First, what are the prerequisites to implement this project? You should have the Python installed in your system. You should have proper internet connection. And you need to install one package, Deep Translator, in your Python. So now first let's see the demo how this project is working. Then we will go ahead and we'll see step by step how this project is working, okay? So now let's see how this project is running. So now I am running this project and it is asking enter text to translate. Okay, please subscribe to the channel for more AI and Gen AI videos. Enter. So now it is asking in which language you want to translate. Here I am selecting HI for Hindi. You can translate it in any other language. You can see the Google documentation. There are various code to translate. So see, it is translated the English sentence into the Hindi sentence. कृपया अधिक AI और Gen AI वीडियो के लिए चैनल की सदस्यता लें. See, this sentence has been translated to Hindi sentence, and you can translate the sentence into French as well. Let's see. Please subscribe the channel. Now I am selecting French, FR. Now it has translated in French. I don't know the French, but you can translate the language, any language to any other language. So now see, how this code is working. What is the code? Let's see. Let's understand step by step. So first, you need to install the Deep Translator. As we told, as a prerequisite, you should have the Deep Translator installed in your Python. Then from Deep Translator, import Google Translator. You are importing this Google library, which will run this code in the Google Translator. It will use the Google AI model to run this code. Then text, you are asking to enter a text to the from the user to translate the text to the any other language. You need a sentence, right? So you are taking the input from the user. Then target language, in which language you want to translate. HI for Hindi, FR for French, or any other language you can enter. Then go here Google Translator. Here we are using the Google Translator library, AI library. This is AI library, which will source is equal to auto means it will auto detect what is the input text uh, language. So it will auto detect that language. Then target is equal to target language. Target languages take it from the user. Then dot translate function will translate the text to the desired language. Then here we are printing the translated sentence. So this is how this code is working. This is very simple code. Only 5 lines of code you can run and you can build this project in 5 minutes. So see how it is easy to implement this project. We can also integrate it with GUI and web interface, and that we will see in the next video. If you find this video useful, please like, subscribe, and comment your favorite language in the comment section. See you in the next AI project. Till then, thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day ahead.